Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wanted to give your videos a fresh animated twist, making them look just like a cartoon, today's tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do that using CapCut Desktop, right on your PC or Mac. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform any regular footage into a stylized, cartoon masterpiece. This is perfect for YouTube intros, Instagram posts, or just spicing up your content for fun. Let's get straight into it. First things first, open CapCut Desktop. Once you're set up, go ahead and import your video. This is as simple as clicking the import button and selecting the file you want. Once your video is in CapCut, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. Think of the timeline like your workspace. It's where all the magic happens. Drag and drop makes it easy to get started. And don't worry if you're new to video editors, CapCut keeps things fairly intuitive. Next, click to select your video clip on the timeline. You want to be sure the clip is highlighted because any changes, especially effects, will only apply to whatever is currently selected. This is a small step, but it's easy to overlook, especially if you're working with multiple clips. If you're unsure, just click once on your footage in the timeline. You'll see an outline appear, letting you know it's active. Now, let's bring in the cartoon magic. Head up to the Effects tab, which you'll find in the top left panel of the CapCut window. This tab is packed with creative options, but to zoom in on the cartoon effect, look for the small search bar within the effects panel. Type in keywords like pop or comics. These are categories of effects that CapCut offers which can give your video a stylized, comic book, or cartoon appearance. Once you see the effect thumbnails, usually they'll have previews like bold outlines, bright colors, or halftone dots. Pick the one that looks closest to the vibe you want. Now, grab that effect and drag it right onto your video clip in the timeline. As soon as you drop it, CapCut will automatically transform your video's visuals. You'll see the difference right away. Outlines get bolder, colors pop more, and your footage starts looking more animated, almost like a hand-drawn scene. Here's where you can get creative. Take a moment to play around with the effects settings. In CapCut, these settings will show up in the top right editing panel once you've selected the effect. You'll find options similar to filter, intensity, and sometimes more, depending on the effect you chose. For example, raising the intensity slider will make colors and outlines more dramatic, while lowering it gives a softer, more subtle look. Don't be afraid to experiment. Slide the controls back and forth and watch how your video changes instantly. Adjust the duration so the effect lasts for as much or as little of your clip as you need. Maybe you want the cartoon effect for the full video, or maybe just for your intro. Remember, this part might take a few moments as you make tweaks and preview your results. It's totally normal to go back and forth. After all, you're tailoring the style to fit your creative vision. Think of it like seasoning a dish. A little more here, a little less there until it tastes just right. And that's it. Export your cartoonized video and share it wherever you like. If you get stuck or want recommendations for even more effects, feel free to ask in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative guides like this. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing!